Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the Thule JawGrip, a carrier for paddles, masts, and oars. The JawGrip is the perfect multi-purpose holder for that longer adventure gear with its sleek, low-profile design to reduce drag and wind noise. It comes out of the box with the TracRac hardware for easy install to Thule's WingBar, AeroBlade, Xsporter Pro, and TracRac load bars. An adapter can be purchased separately to mount the JawGrip on Thule's SquareBar as well. To install the JawGrip, simply tighten the knob until it has a snug fit on your bars. When you're ready to load your gear, just undo the straps and place the gear in the carrier. Route the strap up through the buckle and pull it tight. Once it's secure, you can tuck the strap into the carrier for a cleaner install. Repeat the same process for the second strap and the rest of the gear you load as well. Thank you for checking out our video on the Thule JawGrip. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.